Hi, in this video we'll look at how to apply animations to the content of our slides. We have a presentation here that we had done up before, and we have the title and subtitles. And so for this we're going to go to the animations menu, and there are a number of options we have for animation here. If we should click on the gallery options, we realize that we can apply entrance, emphasis, exit, motion pass, etc. So we're just going to go to more entrance effects here at the bottom. That's you'll see a green looking icon, green star beside that option. I'm going to click on it, and we'll now notice that we have additional options here, and we have number of categories like basic, subtle, moderate, and exciting. We can go ahead and look at the exciting ones like swivel, bounce, there's flip, and there's drop. This is pretty cool. Let's work with the flip, and we're going to click on, notice you're seeing the preview effect here, so you can make an informed decision about the animation you want for a particular item or content. So we can go ahead, click on OK, and once you've done that, you now notice that you have a number that is attached to the particular text box containing the title here, and we're going to apply another animation, but this time to the subtitle. So let's go back through the same process here. We're going to click on subtitle, highlight the text box there containing it, and then we're going to go to more, well, we're going to go to animations here, then more, entrance effects, and we're going to go back to the exciting section. We're going to move this window over a little bit so we can see what is happening over that side. Okay, let's click on the drop option. This one is pretty cool as well. So we click on drop, and we can click on OK here because we like that one. You'll have to animate all the content, so we go to our next, and the same thing that we did before, title and content, we're going to animate. So you don't have to go back to more entrance effects if you see one here that you like, but I like to do that, so I'm just going to go back here because I want to see all of the options that I have to work with. So compress, alright, so this is in the moderate section here, so I'm going to choose that option, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the content. So, well, I don't have to go there because there's some option here that I can look at, like fade. Okay, this one is good, so we can apply that. And to our last slide, we're going to do the same thing. So let's apply shape to this one, and for this is your picture. We're going to go back to more entrance effects because I think there's, let me see here, exciting option. Let's see, bounce is good. Alright, that one is good. Boomerang, no. Okay, swivel. Alright, I'll work with the bounce there. Click on OK, and that is it. Let's see how this looks. So we're going to run our slideshow here, so I can press F5, and we can use our mouse click here. Alright, this is our animation in progress, and you'll see as you go through, you're seeing the transitions as well as the animation of the content. Okay, and that's the end. So I hope that you have learned something from this video. If you did, click on the like button, leave a comment, and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.